Welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the Drive Time Polygon tool. You can find this in your toolbox here on the top left corner, in the wrench and screwdriver. And we've got the Drive Time Polygon is nearly at the bottom, but not quite. Clicking this will open up the tool. In this tool, you can actually still access the radius as well. Now, you have many ways of entering where you want the starting point to be. You can type in a zip code or a full address or a city and state, anything you'd like. Don't click on the little airplane unless you want to find yourself. You'll just continue, and when you get down here, that's when it will find the address. You can also right-click anywhere on the map, and it will always be add radius, but it will put the address or the weird number, because I'm right-clicking in the ocean, into that. Or you can click an actual location on your map, go to the tools, and click draw radius. And as you see, it still stays on the Drive Time Polygon. It understands that's where you were. Now you can create this in any size by hours and minutes, or hours and no minutes, or just minutes. Completely up to you. I'm going to do 1 hour and 30 minutes for mine. You have the ability to change the color of that polygon. So if I want my polygon purple, I can make my polygon purple. You also have the ability to change the border line color and stroke. So this would be your stroke, this would be your color. And then we simply click Add Drive Time Polygon. Because I chose purple, we have a purple splotch on the map, but you'll be able to click on this polygon and see its pop up over here. You can customize the metrics of the polygon by clicking this, and you can get to, from your data, add the information like sales and such, and you can also add demographic information now to this. You can also edit the Drive Time Polygon from here, whether the color, like if I don't want 100% opacity, but I want it at 42% and I want the border line a little bit darker, I can do that. Additional actions you can take, you can hide it. This doesn't remove it, it's just going to hide it from the map, and you just have to go back over and click on it to open it up again. Export locations will export the information from those markers to an Excel spreadsheet. Export contained boundaries will export anything from your zip codes, your counties, whatever, any of the boundaries that we have loaded in the program. You can export that information. Optimize driving route will put those locations into the routing tool. You can add multiple of these to the map. They go on one at a time. They can be all over your map as you need them. You can use these in conjunction as well with the distance radius tool. To remove it, you can click over here to delete, or scroll down and you can click on the three dots, and you can zoom to it, export from here, routing tools, everything you can do from the pop-up, as well as delete the polygon. That's it on the Drive Time Polygon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.